Here it comes. Television's most exciting hour of fantastic prizes. The fabulous 60-minute prize is right. Karen Warrenbrock, come on down. Dolores Brooke, come on down. Beverly Bellinghausen, come on down. And Kathleen Moran, come on down. You are the first 4 contestants on The Price is Right. And now, here's the star of The Price is Right, Bob Barker.
Oh, thank you very much. Welcome to The Price is Right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you 4 ready to start winning prizes?
Yes.
Are you? How about the rest of you? Are you ready to start winning? My golly. You sound more ready than they are down here. Well, here's the first item up for bids, and The Price is Right.
It's a new sailboat. The AMFL Fort Sunfish with fiberglass hull. It withstands the elements better. Great fun for the entire family. A boat that can be carried on your car top. It's the Sunfish.
And Kathleen, I want your bid first.
310.
She says 310. What do you say, Beverly?
740.
$740. Now, Dolores.
500.
$500. Karen?
741.
$741. The actual retail price is $1,379. Karen, you win. Boy, that's a nice prize, too. And Karen will play our first pricing game today. Karen, I want you right over here. Now, thank you very much. Just look at that.
A new car! The handsome Ford Mustang that comes with 4-cylinder engine, steel belted radial tires, reclining seats, full instrumentation, AM radio, cigarette lighter, color keyed instrument panel, and all the other standard equipment plus California emission and power brakes. Bob?
Karen is an accountant, which is just what we need for a game involving all these numbers. Now, Karen, I want you to pick out the first 2 numbers and the last 2 numbers and the price of that car, and we'll give you the car. Now, where do you want to start?
Is that the first set over on this side?
I beg your pardon?
That's the first set?
What do you mean the first set?
7, 8 would be the first number.
Well, yes.
Okay.
Right, huh?
7, 8.
You say 78? All right, let's see. No, but you get $78 for that. Okay, try again.
81.
81, and you get $81. You have $159, but you don't have 76. Let's see. There. Now you have 7,601.
42.
42. She says it's 42 and $42 more. She has $201 now, but this is your last chance because it will fill this up if it's not right. If it is right, you get the car.
64.
64. We won a winner, and we got one. $7,664 is the price of the car. You won the car. Congratulations. Yes. Now listen, as an accountant, remember your income tax is increased by $7,664. There you go. We'll be back after these words.